Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of switching careers, wondering how you would build a new professional relationship from scratch? You're not alone. For many career changers, cultivating these professional relationships is more than swapping business cards, connecting on LinkedIn, or showing up at a networking event. It's about building rapport with colleagues, mentors, industry peers, and influencers that can open up doors to new opportunities, provide valuable feedback, insight, and enhance your visibility with the fields you're interested in. Let's use an example. You attend a conference. Instead of just attending the conference, you have to take the time to engage with speakers afterwards, instead of just attending the conference sessions and leaving. This gives you the opportunity to strike up conversations with seasoned professionals. This individual could provide invaluable career advice, introduce you to a network of influencers that are in the field, or even become your mentor. You will never know if you don't network. So, networking is key. Think about it. How many times have you attended an event or meeting and left without really connecting with anyone? When I was younger, I did this all the time. I experienced this on multiple occasions. However, I have learned some strategies over the years that help me develop strong, meaningful relationships. These strategies will be helpful to you as well as you embark on your new career path. The first strategy I take advantage of is showing genuine interest. People can tell when you're just going through the motions. Don't ask generic questions. Ask insightful ones that show that you did some homework. For example, instead of saying, "What do you do?" I would say something along the lines of, "I noticed your recent project on XYZ had a tremendous impact. Could you tell me more about that approach?" This not only shows your genuine interest, but also opens up a deeper level of conversation. The second strategy that I tend to use is being a good listener. Many people listen with the intent to reply rather than understand. You can tackle this by focusing completely on the speaker. Maintain eye contact, nod in agreement, and ask follow up questions that show that you are paying attention. This is also called active listening. It's a great way to make others feel valued and appreciated. It's about turning a simple conversation into a meaningful exchange. You have to put aside whatever else might be distracting you and make listening the priority. Good listening is a choice that you make every time someone speaks. Strategy number 3, follow up and be consistent. After the follow up meeting, make sure to maintain the relationship. Send a thank you email and occasionally reach out with a friendly message or by sharing interesting articles. Don't only get in touch when you need something. Instead, keep the communications open to make the connection feel natural rather than solely based on transactions, if that makes sense. Fourth strategy, offer value. Networking isn't just about what you can get. I want you to make it a point to provide some type of value to your new connections. Share resources, offer help, and introduce them to potential clients or collaborators who share their vision, values, or challenges from your network. When you offer value, people naturally want to reciprocate, and this creates a healthy, mutual, beneficial relationship. Those 4 strategies can transform your career. They can help you go from feeling uncertain and isolated to being surrounded by a supportive network and incredible opportunities. That's the power of networking and relationship building, especially during a career change. So, what's your next move? Are you ready to start building those powerful connections that could change your career path? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on navigating career changes and professional growth. Until next time.